Today's house is rather unusual. A large wooden box that seems to float, supported by dozens of slender metal columns, while the heart of the home is partially hidden beneath the earth. Built on a mountainous site in Okayama, Japan, the pit house appears to hover above the ground, while its base, on the other hand, merges with the natural topography. Instead of imposing itself on the land, it shapes itself to it, as if it had grown directly from the soil. The landscape, formed by terraced neighborhoods, walls, fences, and distant mountains, is not just a backdrop but a fundamental element that creates contrast for this architecture. The entrance leads to a recessed space, similar to a courtyard carved into the ground, but one that flows directly into the house. This idea of a shelter in the earth creates circular spaces, interconnected and bathed in natural light that filters gently through openings and glass panels. Here we find the social areas, such as the living room and kitchen, organized around a circular concrete floor. Wood is the predominant material, covering walls, ceilings, and the elevated box of the house itself. Its warm texture contrasts with the raw concrete and the lightness of glass. On the outside, the rectangular wooden volume rests on about 50 metal columns, delicate as branches, allowing the semi-buried ground floor to remain open and connected to its surroundings. At the center, a concrete cylinder runs through the house from bottom to top. It serves as a structural core, but also holds the staircase and service areas, creating a vertical continuity that organizes the layout. Around it, circulation is fluid, and the absence of rigid partitions allows the spaces to flow seamlessly into one another. On the upper level, circular cutouts in the floor create curved balconies that align with the sunken spaces below. The bedrooms are located here, suspended and open to the landscape. The mezzanine, with its rounded shapes, reinforces the idea of spatial continuity. The relationship between inside and outside is constant. Large glass panels dissolve boundaries, offering a 360-degree view of the neighborhood and the distant mountains. Natural light enters from different angles throughout the day, casting shifting patterns of light and shadow across the concrete and wood surfaces. This is a house that brings past and present together. Inspired by ancient semi-underground dwellings, yet built with contemporary techniques, clean lines, and raw materials. An architecture that does not separate land and construction, but integrates them into a single living organism. The pit house demonstrates how modernity can walk hand in hand with tradition, creating a space that is functional, welcoming, and deeply connected to the earth.